Y'all ever find yourself in a position where you need a clamp and you don't have the one you need, and you don't want to go driving around for an hour trying to find one that'll work? Well, this trick's an old one, but it works in a pinch. So the problem we got is we need to close up this gap. I don't have a clamp here that's going to reach from here to here. So we take a C-clamp, cut off the end, weld it on, snug it down. We closed up that gap. This wasn't my trick. It's an oldie, but a good one to keep in mind.